In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a brush. Let's get started. A brush is essentially a forward tap with the ball of the foot or the whole flat of the foot. The first thing to do when doing a brush is to start with your knees relaxed, leaning forwards over the balls of your feet with about 60% of your body weight over the front of your toes, 40% remaining on your heels. From here, you lift your foot from the knee around 1 to 2 inches to extend the leg, keeping the ankle relaxed. Strike the floor around 1 to 2 inches in front of your supporting foot. Really feel a strong connection with the floor as you strike to get a good sound. Remember to fully transfer your weight as you practice on each leg. And there you have it, a great sounding brush. Keep on practicing and keep on dancing. See you in the next tutorial.